Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using the Motorola Android phone, and if your Moto phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you have hard reset of your Moto phone, then after hard reset when you will switch on your phone you will get a such type of display where you can see here you will get some options like language option, vision settings, emergency call and start option. So when you will start from this start button to switch on your phone after factory reset and hard reset, let's check what happened to your phone. One more thing I'd like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network, so make sure connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. Now after that you will switch to next page. Here you have to tap on this accept and continue. So here you can see after the factory data and hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern or password lock. But here you will get another option that is showing here use my Google account instead. When you will tap on this option, you will switch to new page. And here it will ask your Gmail ID and password. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, what you had applied to your phone when your phone was new, you can use that email ID and password to go to the next option. But you can see here if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you are not getting any skip option in this page. So in this video, I will tell you how you will get a skip option in this page. If you don't have remember your Gmail ID and password, it means this video is totally dedicated to FRP unlock method of your Moto phones. So in this video I will tell you how you can bypass your FRP lock of your Motorola phone. First of all, you will have to reach to the starting page here. Now in the first page you have to firstly go to the emergency call option, and here you will have to dial star 222 star 00 star 9 star hash. You have to feed this USSD, and after that you have to tap on this call option and go to the OK. Now you can see here the USSD code has been deleted from here, so go to the back option. Now here you have to go to the option in language, and from here you have to change the language from English India to English US. Okay. Now after that you have to tap on this start option, and from here you have to skip from here. You will come to this page. In this page you have to tap on this. Now from here you have to scroll down and tap on this last option and tap on this URL. And you can see here if this URL is not working, you have to use that another URL. So here it's working. Okay, go to done. Tap on this one. Okay. And accept all cookies. Now from here tap on these options, and from this you have to go to the option that is showing here, and from here you have to tap on this yes and tap on this 7, and after that you have to go to the support option. Here you have to go to the driver in software. From here tap on this one. Here it's not working. Come to the setting that is showing here, driver and software. Now simply you have to go to this done option and go to the back. Now from here you have to come on this vision setting. Here you have to go to the option that will show here talk back, and you have to switch off this one and go to the done. Now go to back. Now all the setting has been done. Let's check your FRP has been bypassed or not. Simply you have to start this option, skip from here, go to the accept and continue. So here you can see now you're getting here a skip option. It means your FRP lock has been removed. It means your FRP has been completely bypassed. Now you can easily bypass this Gmail ID credential, and you can tap on this skip option from this skip page. Now from here you have to tap on this skip here. Now after that you won't stuck anywhere. Now you can easily set up your phone. Tap on this not now, not now. Go to the next, skip from this page, tap on this finish. Now after that you have to tap anywhere on the display. You can see here your Moto phone has been completely unlocked and FRP bypassed. So if this video helped you to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android phone, then do the like this video. And if you have stuck anywhere in this method, make us comment. We will definitely respond on your comments. Thank you so much.